So let's check it out. Golly, dude, that was something. All right, so I'm checking if we're live. Good, so far so good. Oh my, yes. Bahama Mama? Is it working? Checking.
Yes!
Live. Finally! Oh my gosh, that was a headache and a half. Get that thing out of here. My stream settings. Alright. Yes! Guys, finally, man. Oh my gosh. That got ridiculous, didn't it? Now. Man, dude. Okay, yeah, we're good now. If anyone watches at this point. Alright, so everything should be working perfectly fine. Let's test. Should be no more crashing. I gotta drag the thing over here, but butter smooth, yes. Is it butter smooth for you guys? It should be. The pendulum and everything is like moving smooth. Butter smooth. It's working like a charm. All right. Yep. Nice. Zero stuttering. Excellent connection. Let me play back that. This might have been worth all the effort, dude. I think this looks better than it ever did before. Well, I can't see the full quality, but it looks good. Finally. That was well worth all the insane, frustrating, and annoying headaches. Okay, so we need to make that a thing. Whew. So, hi everyone. Welcome to tonight's stream. Look at that. We got it correct on the first try. Oh, let me go to Bluetooth though. My little Wi-Fi dongle thing is kind of being blocked by a thing, so I need to pair the. I need to reset it though because I paired it in Windows and like it bugs. Okay, connect. Make like an Xbox and connect. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's so much better, dude. All right, so, yeah, let's see how this area here looks. Oh, I hope there's no more problems with the streaming. I don't think there will be. But I got a rubber bee. Well, that don't make no sense to me. Hold on, how do you set default monitor? In Mac. Let me do that real quick. Arrangement. Yeah, I want to set this as my default, not this. This one. Khakis. Let's get rid of that so you guys have better coloring. Yeah, I think it was probably kind of worth it. How do I set the default though? Hold on, let me figure that out real quick. Display icon. Oh, okay. So you. What? Dude. Oh, there we go. Yes! Whoa, I think that just ruined the entire... It's okay, though. It's okay. Got it going on, fellas. This is remarkably uncanny, but whatever. I digress. 3 viewers somehow? After all that? Gosh, okay. Thanks, guys. We're gonna definitely fix what is happening. Are you guys seeing this giant green? Oh, no. It's only on this. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, good. We're good. We're good. Again. But this time, not only are we good, we're excellent. Because looky. I do this. Well, first, let me yeet that thing on out of here. No more having to drag the window. We're all set. Finally. Okay, we can go through those bushes, but that's okay. We can, yeah. We're going to fix some things up. Look at that, dude. Butter smooth 60. Finally, man. Golly. That junk got on my nerves for a minute. Alright, so, anyways, how's everyone doing? We're gonna go ahead and, I guess, maybe... I don't know. Should we? What should we do this stream? Now that we got the stream going. No. Shad, don't play with me. What's that quality like right now? Oh, it better not be garbage. It's supposed to be 1080p. I don't know. Should we? What should we do? There we go. That works. That works. That works. That works. I thought I said it 1080, but that's okay. I don't care. We're dealing with it. Why you gotta mess with me like that, dude? You know how much struggle I went through? Let's see. No, I don't even know what to do. I guess we can make Luke the inside of Luca's house. Luca's living room. Nah, it's normal. You better be normal after all. I would rage internally and externally. And internally some more. And externally some more. Memories! What up, dude? How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Alright, so yeah, Luca's interior. It sounds incredibly dupe. Hey girl, what's that? Let me see your interior. You just like the title, 7.8? Yeah. I actually lost track. I'm not gonna lie. I literally lost track and just decided to put 0.8, but it's probably been like 13 or 14 tries. Okay, this has to match the outside though. It's been a very long time since I watched one of these streams. Hey, Asher, how's it going, dude? Welcome to the stream. I do hope you enjoy your stay. Yeah, dude, broke isn't even the word. That doesn't even define it. That junk was full on jank. No. There we go. Something like that. No. Let me straighten my arm. Oh, that's a lot better, dude. Alright, so. Now we're actually okay. Shad, how can you forget him? You used to bully him all the time. Shad used to bully everybody. Shad's mean. Shad's also controlling Alex, by the way. He made Alex join the channel so he can pressure me. Shad's plan is eventually to get yeah. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Asher! Yeah, man. Get on to him. Hey, get mad. Be like, yo, you don't remember me? It's game over, son. You gonna remember me. You make him remember. You make him remember. I don't know how I want to make this look. Yeah, thanks for reminding you. Yeah, dude. You should thank him for reminding you of that you don't. Yeah. Wait, what? I don't know what I'm saying. How do I want the interior? Okay, Luca has like a lot of tech. Yeah. Very steampunky. What is this pipe for? Pipe things. Grr. Yeah, there you go. You get mad. You can do better than that, though. Don't just give him like a little kitty grr. Be like... You let him know. You let him know who's boss. Alright, Luca, since... is that alright? I guess that'd be okay, right? Since this is over the thing anyway, you don't need to see what's on the monitor. Okay, so... Luca is a girl of class. So she's gonna be like... having them classy tables. No, that's really uncanny, actually. So let me get rid of that. Someone over here. There we go. I am here because I'm bald. Cool. So am I. Actually, I'm not. Well, I am, but I'm not at the same time because... Mostly just frustrated. Not to be confused with castrated. Alright, get that. The little railing going on there. Railing going on there. I'm gonna darken up the stairs actually by using the little shadow pen. Shadow the edgy hedgehog. Who isn't right now? I watch pretty much every half decent video on YouTube. Oh my gosh, dude. The quarantine's really getting to you, but fam, you might need to seek therapy. Probably not though. YouTube is therapy though. Let's be honest about that. Okay, that's not too bad there. Now, how do we get rid of the spacing issues? Okay. Now, Luca is... a girl of quality standards. Her phone would be down here, though. She had like a little printer. Yeah. She's got another little computer there going on. If you ask where her kitchen is, I'd need to do like Zoom therapy. Wait, what? Hey, Tiny Awesome, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Yeah, dude, you just entered to the very beginning of the stream, basically. I've been trying to get the dang stream to do non-garbage things, but it has been fighting me. And all good TV shows, Netflix, done watching. Well, I haven't been binging like that for, pretty good reasons too. I don't want to like get like everything watched, I guess is the proper term to say it. Like, I don't want to have nothing else to watch and become immensely bored. Then again, I can always stream on YouTube and entertain you guys as well. Why would her computer face the wall? Reasons. No, see, that's actually a trick. Let me zoom in. Okay, so that's actually a trick. What's going on is her computer. That's actually the back of it, and that's a piece of paper that looks like a keyboard and mouse. Oh, keyboard and trackpad. Yeah. So, see, her real computer's over here. She has this here to trick thieves. See, someone breaks in, they're like, oh, that crap's huge. I'm not going to carry all that. And then they get down here, and they're like, oh, look, a free computer. And they get home, and all it has is, I don't know, whatever Luke is into. I don't know, furry yowie, for example. And they get like, oh no, let's get out of here. I'm scarred for life. And I'd be like, yeah, I agree. I would be absolutely horrified on every level. Should I have like a little table here? I don't think so. It looks weird. Still feels empty, man. What can we add that would make it... Oh, you know what? Luca has this beast mode chair. And yeah, she has an extra chair for when her friends, come over uninvited. And she has a quantum chair that defies the laws of physics and depth properties and shenanigans. Okay, she does have a lot of books. So many, in fact, that she puts them on top of her light bulb. Oh, that looks kind of cool. Books and papers. And I can imagine Luca being like a super busy person, so she would have like her stuff on the food thing. Wait, what? Ginger beer? Yum. A bed would be helpful. That's going to be upstairs, though. I'm just going to have like an empty plate or something like right here. Like extra trash. No. So yeah, I guess that doesn't look too bad. Maybe what she's missing though is a carpet. Oops. That looks kind of good, but like it triggers me that this thing is slightly on, like that. Ugh. I guess that'll have to do like that. Yeah, that's not too bad. Then again, that's not too bad right there either. Maybe refix that lighting. Her wall broke, so all the sunlight just beamed in from the... Yeah, it looks really good there. I like that. Should we darken it, though? Nah. I don't need that junk dark. Oh, yeah, it's so tiny. The house we made yesterday, I decided to turn that into Luca's house. Shelves? That's a good idea. Let's see. What kind of shelves do we got? You need a lot of space for the things you never use. Sounds like something I could really make good use of. Space. Where's the shelves at? Am I blind? Or are they not here? I know we have them. Cause if not, I can always import graphics B from the not B. Yeah, let's just do that. Because I know there's like a bunch of shelves there. So we're going to go to tile sets. SF inside, and we're going to do it was C, wasn't it? it was B. No, it was. Yes, it was. There it is. There it is. There it is. We'll fix all the collision stuff here in a little bit, though. For now, I just want to get the mapping part. Let me get rid of the empty one. She wouldn't have an empty one. Oh, you know what? We can actually do something kind of cool. Put that there and then like put the railing over it. Or the piping, not railing. What? Adds to the illusion. I like that. Hey, Neko. You're not late. You're not late. You're good, man. Trust me. Or woman. Thing. Whatever you are. Whoever you are. Trust me, you're fine. We are only just getting started. See, Luca strikes me as a person who would have a secret base. Ooh, actually, dude, that's fitting. I intended to be, like, make a joke, but that's actually fitting. Like, some kind of material, like, some kind of gear on the floor. That really, really fits. I like that. Streams with small streamers is my favorite other things ever to watch. Yes. I would say I hope I stay a small streamer, but that would be a lie. Oh, that looks good. More piley-like. Luca strikes me as a person who never cleans... Stop. Oh, yeah, she definitely would have servers, though, right? Hold on. Let's see if we can't make this look good. Which wall was it? It was this one right here. Awesome video. Amazing work, YouTube buddies. No, you. Get out of here. Oh no, my display just made a popping sound and went off. What the actual living heck? It's back on. I don't know if I trust this thing anymore. I feel like, oh no. No. So we don't need a server there then. She doesn't, okay. Luca strikes me as a person who who has like massive cracks in her walls that yeah, Luca strikes me as someone who doesn't need a server in her living room. They're all up in here. Yeah. Yeah, he did get owned, didn't he? Also, I take back what I just said. Uh-oh, he's back at it. Oh no. Crap. Crap. Hold on. Let's go reply to him again. I'm not going to do that. It's just a stupid bot. He's been attacking me for some reason. Who is Luca and what do they do? Luca's a tech girl. Asher? Yeah, if you haven't played Chrono Trigger, I highly recommend going to get it. I'll make a deal with you. If you join the channel, I'll buy you Chrono Trigger. Just playing. One, I actually end up losing out on that. And two, no. I don't have any money to buy it. So what was happening with the stream before? No. It's not the internet. I don't know, dude. OBS Studio was causing the jankest of jank to happen. And Steam was crashing for, like, literally no reason. That jump was sketch, dude. I'm talking like full-blown, what? Kind of sketch. I feel like the room looks fine. I agree with you. It does look fine. It looks really good. Now we need to make her bedroom though. SF inside. Let me zoom out. There we go. How's the quality though? The audio, it should be relatively the same, but I don't have any filters on the mic or anything. Like I don't have any noise removal or anything. Yes, I am Master. I can't do Windows for some reason. I tried streaming on Windows and it wasn't having it. It was like, yeah, it's not happening. So her room should look something like this actually. And then we can have the I don't know why I did that yet. Still need to. Sounds fine. Weird. Yeah, dude, it was super weird. Trust me, it made no sense. I mean, I'm talking like the strangest of strange was happening. Ow. And I bumped myself. Okay. Her name is Luca. And she is the next John Cena. I don't know what I'm saying there. Alright, now, let's see. Ooh, hold on. Hold the phone. I like that. It's a little bit of a weird, thing. But I feel like this is how Luca would live. If she was alive. What? Yeah, like that. Okay. And then we can do that. That is an extremely tall wall. Hold on, let me read. Retro Pixel is your jam? I know, right? Okay, I feel like Luca would have another server up here too, like a giant server rack, full of RGB lighting and beepy things when the hard drive is being accessed. Okay. I feel like she would have a window here. She wouldn't want the window to like stare into her room. Let's see. I feel like Luke is the one who okay, stop. Thinking we should go with like sort of like a purplish kind of carpet. I think Luca would. No, that just looks like a hooker room now. But everything else doesn't look like it fits. Let's try. I guess that kind of fits. It looks really stale though compared to Luca's personality. Too urban. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll go with this one. This one looks alright. I wonder what I would do if I was alive. That's a very good question. Yes, Rodin86. Hello, welcome to the stream. I hope you enjoy your stay. And yes, they are the defaults. Let's. Yeah, Luca would definitely have a cool looking bed like that. Although it looks slightly uncomfortable, but hey, who am I to judge? Luca does her thing. I'm trying to figure out like, okay, you know what? Let's add a table there. Let's add a table here. And table here. How? Okay. All right, make me one. Make me one, Asher. Okay, now would Luca like? No, she wouldn't have it like that. All right. Okay, yep. I think I see how we're gonna do this now. Okay, one. Those are not meant to be like that. That is... No, it's not. Look, it's like sitting on the edge. Oh, that is mad triggering, dude. What the... Who designed this? I'm gonna sue you. Oh, that's triggering me so bad. Okay, Luca would also have, like, this pretty rockin' chair in her room. Oh my gosh. Are you for real? We can't put vases because they're off center and... Okay. Fine. I have an idea. I hope it works. I think I glitched. Oh, would you please work and don't look bad? You mean these things? I think that's what you mean. Are there other tables? Oh yeah! Oh dude, nice. Okay. Nice on. No, I don't think that's gonna work either. Nuh-uh. Oh well. We can stick with that one. You can never get things to fit on tables? Yeah, it can get frustrating. It really can. It really does get, like, irritating. It's like... Just makes you want to become... I don't know, a horse and fly away with... magic. Okay, Luca would definitely have whatever that thing is. Like, some kind of, like, idea board. She would have a human body chart. No, she's not a medic. She would have a, what the heck is that, a tiny table thing? No. Yeah. Yeehaw indeed, good sir. I don't even know what that is. Even plates. Yeah, I know, right? It's like super annoying because it's all offset. So you try to do that, and it's like on the bottom instead of in the center. Oh, that irritates me like no man's business. Unless, I feel like Luca would have like 6 fireplaces in it. No, stop. Oh, good. I accidentally saved, and I thought I would have to redraw that because. No. Ah, man. Okay, if you're asking where Luca cooks, you're probably not going to get an answer. Oh, it might be a first aid kit. Yeah, you might be right. That's a good point. Yeah, I'm just going to put that there and call it a day. This is Luca's house. Alright, so we got her house right here, and we got the inside, which kind of mimics the outside of here a little bit. And we got her room upstairs. And there's like other rooms in the house, but don't question it, it's RPG logic. Yep, RPG logic. Yeah, let's start on the opening sequence. Okay, I need, what is it, nature? Monster, small, no? What, are you kidding me? We don't have burbs? We really don't have burbs? Come on. There's gotta be burbs. Why is there not nature-ish things. Dagnabbit. Fine, you know what? Well, no, we're not gonna do it. We're not gonna do it. We're doing it. Fine. Can somebody, thank you. Thank you, Tiny Awesome. Can someone, can someone, like... So, yeah. Move up. I don't know why I did all those. You can just, like, repeat movements and skip if cannot move. Above all, we're just going to be through direction fix, I guess. Only stepping. Frequency highest. So yeah, for now though, we're going to use cats. Yay! So start transparent. Okay, let's do it. Oops. That was the wrong thing. No, it wasn't. Oh, how did they synchronize? How did the catbird synchronize? What the heifer? Okay, so I can't do control. So... Alright, it's fine. I gotta figure out, like, what the, How did they synchronize? I'm so lost! That's kind of cool. But it's also kind of creepy. That's actually uncanny. A little unnerving. Oh, it's option. Okay. Catbirds! Yeah. Okay. Yeah. How do I want to go about the... You're not done, but there's a computer next to where you're doing so. Hi, Asher. How you doing? Grr. Welcome to the stream. Welcome back to the stream, rather. Hope you enjoy your stay again. I'm so epic birds. I know, right? I think what I'll do is I'll steal some from like RPG Maker XP or something. Yeah. Should we do that? I think we should do that. Like steal some from RPG Maker XP. So let's have like the thing like scroll the screen up at a distance or at a speed of, let's just do 8, and at the speed of 1 or 2. 1. Let's see. Oh, I like that. I like that. Okay. I really, really like that. I think we should start up here. Maybe make the birds like normal speed so that they come in and bail out quicker. think that'd be fine. I don't know the different art styles are. I mean, they're different. Yes. I don't know. If not, we can try to draw. We can. You know what? That's what we'll do next stream. We'll draw some burbs. Because I really like the way that's turning out. Why are they not moving if off screen? Am I the only one that thinks it doesn't make sense? And why are we starting over here? What? Oh. Louis. I was wondering, since maybe it's like $60, is there another RPG Maker that is bang for your buck? 2003. Hear me out on that. So, RPG Maker 2003, okay? You struggle with cutscenes? I can actually help you with that, Roden. So, with 2003, you do... Okay, I'll explain when you get back, Gosher. But yeah, Roden, I can actually help you with cutscenes. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and show you like one project that I've been working on. Where is it? MLD. Laugh at the voice acting if you want, but it's really cool. And it's called My Last Dream, and I'm stealing RPG Maker XP's graphics. Oops. Let me know if you guys can hear the music, okay? Excuse me. Marigold Hospital? It was here, this night, May 8th, that I heard I was going to die. It all came out of nowhere. I'm actually going to help out Roden real quick with cutscene development. I'm going to show you guys this, and then I'm going to explain. When suddenly, I collapsed in pain. I had contracted a deadly new virus, one like the world has never seen. No, it's not inspired by what's currently going on. Normally, there'd be severe symptoms indicating you've contracted the virus. But strangely, I had none at all, until the last moment. The virus, this actually has nothing to do with causing them to become permanently coronavirus crap, or even fail entirely. The fact I had no symptoms until now shocked the world, as we thought we had figured out how the virus Although works. It is a little bit coincidental, I will admit. I'll die in less than 24 hours, and I only wish I had the chance to live a life I could be proud of. A life where I meant something. A life where I was stronger. Braver. Just gonna skip that real quick. I lied there thinking. Now watch the character's eyes and stuff. Getting more depressed. I decided to accept my during cutscene development. You want to put as much detail as possible, but like without going overboard. I was pushing myself anyway, as I thought, what's the point? Show you how to change menus. Oh, the layout? Yeah, I can show you that. The virus had already began to attack my mind as it became harder and harder to think about Project the past. Bluebeam. All right. I opened my eyes and stared at the ceiling. So, right here, see how he opens his eyes kind of slowly? He's acting, if you can afford it, yeah. I'm only doing voicing on this one for the story. But yeah, it's a game that I've been working on kind of off stream. Now, you don't get to be so depressing. Seriously, what's going on? Okay, yeah, no problem. I can show you, Tiny. Well, I'm your Reaper, of course. Nah, I'm totally yanking your chain. See how he's looking over at the little imp now? That's kind of what you want to do. You want to during cutscene development, you want to give your characters emotion. You want to give them personality. You want to even if their personality is boring, it's that character's personality. You know what I'm saying? Basically, you want to kind of get into the head of your fictional character, if that makes sense. How would they react if this happens, if that happens? And then just try to make it happen like that. If you got to edit some images, then just do that. Another thing, you can see how since it's kind of hard to tell, like emotions and stuff, you can use little icons, little balloon icons. So he was frustrated right there. The little details? Yeah, I know, right? It makes it different. It makes a big difference. The little details really do make a difference. But basically, Oh, yeah. I kind of wish I didn't make. Well, no, I don't wish that. I mean, the way I titled that though, yeah, it was a little bit, but I'm glad you got inspired by it. Kinda, guys. I want to know, but it'll be a big one. So basically, this game, it's not really a game. It's more like a visual novel. It's gonna be. You'll see. I'll show you real quick. Yeah, from time to time. Basically, people who have done something extra special in their life are granted a reward like this one. You must have done something seriously selfless. Screen tints are so good. Yes, they help a lot too. They help set the mood. This is really good. Thank you, God of Knockers. I appreciate that. I guess I did save that girl. Stupid kid. Who runs in front of a vehicle like that? Nah, it was probably bigger than that. Anyway, this dream is unlike any that you've ever had. It'll seem super real. It's important to remember that it's not, though. Now then, what style of dream would you like? And then the dying man's like, I want to be a hero. Someone who maybe saves the world or something. So basically, yeah, he's dying, but he did something like super selfless before. So basically, God is granting him a dream. It's hard to explain, but basically he's granting him a dream that's going to allow him to be who he's always wanted to be, but he can never be. Yeah. And the dream is supposed to last like a lifetime, even though he's got like 24 hours left to live. Kinda memories. I know. Yeah, that scene was a little inspired by Yu Yu Hakusho, I'm not gonna lie. We're all set. Just go to sleep, and when you wake up, you'll be in a whole new world. And now watch how he looks at the ceiling again, and watch how he closes his eyes. Anyway, he doesn't actually buy the fact that he's real, so he calls him a hallucination. He dozes off, and then right here we have the thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and save. You have a memo thing as well. The story so far, yeah. Hey Ginyu, how's it going? Chapter 1, Home on the Mountain. And this is like where the dream starts, and that's all I got done so far. Wait, Mochi, seriously? Thank you. That actually makes me kind of inspired to work on it some more. Now then, on to Tiny Awesome's question. We'll start a new project so I can show you. But yeah, I'm kind of proud of that so far. It's gonna be really cool. I haven't got much done at all because I've been putting like a lot of effort into it. I've been trying to. You really like the idea of the story? Thank you. I'm not doing it correctly though. To be honest, you really should. Use something like LibreOffice or something. You should seriously document the stuff that you do. I don't do that because I'm an idiot. Yeah, tutor. Works for me. Okay, do we have code installed on the Mac? I think I do. Do not. Wait a minute, I might. Let me screenshot it. Oh yeah, those are my evidence videos. Place I used to work, I've gathered some evidence in case they try to like be rude. Alright, nope, I don't have it. Alright, so download for Mac, aka Darwin. Thanks, Neko. Appreciate that. Blink during normal play? Yes and no. It's kind of jank. Unless you use scripting. But basically, you can have like a parallel process that constantly updates the player, but that's also going to interfere with the walk cycle. So yeah, having them blink and everything, you would need to have them blink only when they're not walking. But yeah, you can do that with a parallel process or even a common event that runs in parallel. The trigger would be parallel, and you turn the switch on, and like they would blink. Oh yeah. For the thing, yeah. I'm using a plugin that I wrote in the little menu thing that I stole from Chrono Trigger that we did. Not menu, but the little cursor icon instead of the box. I stole that from the code that we wrote for the MV thing. This is from like when I had it before. I was doing a render engine, but I never ended up finishing it. Okay, so I'm actually just gonna open the folder real quick. Games tutor. All right, so you wanted to modify the shop, you said, right? Just the positioning, right? Like just the layout and stuff. Okay. Scene shop. So what you want to do? But yeah, I wrote a sorry to stop talking about it. Knockers, I wrote a little thing to show up at the top left to tell you like where you're at or what chapter, that kind of thing. Other than that, though, no, we're just using raw and those two things. So Tiny Awesome, you want to find the scene shop, okay, bucko, and then you want to find where it creates stuff. So right here we have it says right here, create help window. Where is it? Hold on. Okay, so if you can't find it, scene battle, scene menu base, scene file. Okay, so it's in scene menu base. So now we know that the help window is called this _ help window. So let's go back to the scene shop. Here it is. And this is on the create thing, so we're going to do this .custom. Well, you would name it whatever you want, but we're going to do this way. Scene shop.prototype.custom equals function. And we're just going to do this .help window. Yeah, kind of. Visual Studio is the best way to do this because, like, it's really good. But you can use any IDE that you want, but I recommend Visual Studio. So, yeah, we're going to do .y is equal to, let's do graphics.box width divided by 2. So that's just going to bump it towards the middle, but, like, have it bumped too much. But, yeah. You would just edit the X and Y positions that way. Shot processing. Potion. We don't have to have a lot of stuff. So, that was almost entirely useless to change this graphic. And there was my display again. Huh. But yeah, now the help window is actually hidden behind all the other ones. That's why it's not there. And that's actually due to a thing. So if we actually move this down, the windows merge because like they're on one layer, and I don't know how they did that. Like they did something like super cool. But we're gonna put the help window on top, so the window itself won't show because the windows are all merging together. But the height of undefined. Okay, so we just gotta move everything else as well. So we can change the Y position of the, here, well, yeah, this is what we'll do. We'll use this one. This is the gold window, so we're going to change the X and Y of that. In the gold window, it actually initializes right here. So you're able to manipulate its X and Y like directly from the creation. Stuff like this, though, stuff that doesn't have... as you can see, the scene shop has its own function for creating the gold window. For stuff that doesn't have that, you got to find like where it originates. This... See, now we like move the gold window. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Now, if you want to make a custom menu entirely, I can show you how to do that kind of thing as well. To change the functionality of things, you want to find the commands like for the command window. Or in this case, the command create by window. So we have a window shop by, set handler for OK, and then cancel. So on by OK. That's the function that we need to find. And here it is. So as we can see here, it sets up the item that's selected, the maximum, and the buying price. And it sets the currency unit, whatever that means for. I'm guessing it's just to show the little symbol. Can you add avatars to the shop menu? You mean like a... Yeah, you can do that. If you want to add a sprite, I'm just going to put it in the custom, but you might want to organize this. I'm just going to separate it like by this so you can see... so you don't get like too confused on where we're editing stuff. Alright, so we're going to do this dot new sprite, whatever you want to call it, equals new sprite. 00 X and Y, I believe. Sprite, I think it is. So new sprite dot bitmap. This dot new sprite dot bitmap equals image manager dot load. Let's load the title. Let's load a title image. Load title 1. Castle. You've been making pictures for your characters? Cool. I wish I can do that. I'm not that great at art, though. Typically, you would do this in a plugin instead of just editing directly. Oh, yeah. So it is getting created, but it's not there. And the reason for that, we didn't add it yet. So now we do this dot add child, I think it was? Yeah. This dot add child, this dot new sprite. So these are the 3 lines that you really just want to focus on between these right here. That's how you add an icon or an image of some kind. And let me explain how the image manager works as well, I guess. There we go. It loaded the picture, but it's kind of in front of everything. Let's actually put it behind. And we're going to do that by... Well, let's get rid of the Y position changing. We want to add the sprite like before everything else. Oops. Wrong thing. Again. Alright. I got you. Okay, cool. Yeah, if it's like the... If you're not like gonna share the plugin and all that, then yeah, just do it however you feel comfortable doing it. But if you're doing a lot of coding, then yeah, you're gonna want to definitely try to organize it. Okay, so the layer is still above the window layer, so that's why it's doing that. So image manager, you can load all of your stuff from here. So like for example, let's load this picture here, actor 1-1. So it is an SV actors. So you would do load SV actors, I think it was. So we're going to find him, yeah. SV actor, that's what it is. The capital letters actually do matter, by the way. Actor 1-1. So what that's going to do is it's going to display this right here. This is going to kind of stamp it. It's not going to crop it out or anything for like a sprite animation. Oh, hi Blitz. Yes, we are. No, but at the moment, no. I'm doing tutorials right now. And see, there you go. That's how you do like that's how you stamp pictures and stuff, and images and whatnot on things. Very, very descriptive. But yeah, it's pretty simple. But Blitz, I will go ahead and show you what we have achieved so far. Now, I'm not stealing the graphics from Chrono Trigger or the music. I'm trying to get as creative as possible instead of just making like a one-to-one remake. One, that's a pain in the neck. Two, meh. It's probably been done. Besides, this project's probably going to get shut down by Square soon anyways. Alright, oh yeah, and since we don't have birds right now, we're using cats. But I'll go ahead and show you the things that we have done. We programmed a little pendulum that swings in. Like a little lighting effect on it too, as you can see when it shrinks, you can see like the little lighting on it. We customized the F out of a lot of stuff. So far, we don't have anything customized like with the skills. Yeah, we don't have a lot done yet, but yeah. Can you make it change expression on buy? What do you mean? Yeah, you can. Been using some of your plugins? Cool. Yeah, I need to get back into plugin making, I think. It's been a little too long. Square, don't be a square. Yeah, right? That's what I'm saying. But yeah, you would go to terms and you can change it there, but to change where the text is, that's a fun one. It would be in the info window, but I want to try. Okay, on by okay. So let's just find the help window. Okay. You bought something, be happy or something. Yeah, oh, you can do that, but I gotta find, you just gotta find, like, where the buying process, like, actually happens. Do buy, for example, right here. Lose gold and gain item. Okay, so, I guess I'll go ahead and show you then. You would need to, we're just gonna do this in a plugin. So we're gonna do, I'm just gonna call it plug. So we're just gonna wrap it. You don't have to do that actually. Screw that. Or if you're down, I can help with pixel art and sprite. Yeah, dude, Blitz. If you can do that, that would be friggin' sweet. That'd be awesome, man. Right now we need burbs because. Let me show you why. Flying cats! Yeah! In a world where cats are birds. I kind of suck at pixel art. Like, I made like little mountains, but that's not necessarily what you call pixel art either. It's not that bad, but it just looks weird. But yeah. No, what was I doing? Oh, yeah. Okay. Wait, what happened to Visual? Oh, what happened to Visual Studio Code? Did I close it? I think I closed it on accident. So yeah, basically though, what we want to do, we're gonna find out how the windows are created. So let's find RPG windows. I'm just gonna do. We're gonna find window gold. We're just gonna copy and paste this part here. So we're gonna make our own thing. Instead of calling it window gold, we're just gonna call it window demo. Oops. I'm just gonna replace all the window gold names with window demo. So when creating a thing, you do function and then the name of your window. This.initialize.apply, this arguments. Window demo.prototype equals object.create window base.prototype, or whatever you're trying to base your code on. Is your game finished, Knockers? Yeah, that's true. I'm not too concerned about it though, honestly. But it's like if they want to flag it and be like, all right, fine, I'll stop. I'll take it down. This brings up memories. Never did finish my game. I was pretty close. Lost it in a crash. Oh, I hate that, dude. I can't count how many times that's happened. Like you'll be so excited and then you realize, oh well, I wasn't working on it that much anyways because. Blue Squirrel. Dude, I feel like I know that name. What form is that from? I feel like I know that name. Blue Squirrel. Oh my gosh, that's familiar as heck. This is cool. I also love your plugins and videos. Thank you, Glitterbot. Also, welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. 16 viewers right now. What the F? Nice. Alright, so. Anyway, then we're going to do prototype.constructor equals the name, itself. Not 100% sure why RPG Maker decided to do things this way. But, yeah. So, we're just going to get rid of these two things here. Now, we're going to do window-base.prototype.initialize.call this xy with height. So, we're going to replace width and height with graphics.box width. And then window-base.prototype.line height times 2. And that's just going to make it like one line of text. If you want, you can separate these. I don't really do it. It doesn't bother me that much. So now we're going to do window demo.prototype.refresh equals function. And then underneath that, window demo.prototype.update equals function. Did you ever hear about a game named Nope. I have not, good sir. I don't think. Sounds interesting, though. Anyway, good luck on this. We'll watch. Thank you. Oh, the avatar was a blue squirrel, not the name. You sure? Because... Well, never mind. I'm thinking of somebody else then. Maybe. I'm telling you, like, I used to know somebody named Blue Squirrel, and... Or at least, not know them, like, personally, but... There was somebody that went by that name. Dang it. Oh, well. Having the icon, though, like, yeah, I don't remember that. I just remember the name. RIP. So it's not the same person. It was a long time ago. Okay, Asher. Alright, I caught up. Now, we're going to do this dot refresh in the update thing, so it's constantly updating. Now we want to do this dot dialogue equals happy face. I don't know, just nothing. That was the game I was working on. Or is it gonna be Ryahura? How do you like what was it about? What was your game about? No. We're gonna do this dot contents dot clear. Tiny Awesome, if you're still here, Let me know if you're confused yet. Yeah, we're going to make a plugin. We're going to create the thing. Hey, Asher, how's it going? A log. To have an idea of this right, it was an action RPG. I love action RPGs. I seriously do, man. You give me a Kingdom Hearts style battle system, and I'm gonna love that game, probably. Odds are, yeah. Odds are I'm probably gonna, like, want to play it a lot. Okay, so Tiny Awesome. Basically what we're doing here, the EX allows you to use the codes, like, the color changing and all that. So the first is the text, and then the second and third arguments are the dialogue. And that's really all we need. So now we're going to kind of hack into the scene shop create function. Kind of like how we did here. But what we're going to do is slightly different this time. What we're going to do now, we're just going to separate it. So we're going to create a variable, const my alias. You can call it whatever you want. And we're going to set it equal to the create function. Just like that. Scene shop, the prototype create. We're not going to call the function, so you're not going to do the parentheses at the end. You're just going to create that. So then we're going to rewrite this. So scene shop, the prototype create equals function, and then we're going to do my alias dot apply. Oops. This arguments. And then we're going to create the window. So we're going to do this dot dialog equals new window demo. For example, that's the thing that we did. We have X and Y, so we're just going to set it to 0, 0. We have X and Y arguments. I like turn-based RPGs because planning. Yes, I love all kinds. I love any RPG. But if I had to choose between turn-based and action, it'd be kind of a hard choice, honestly. Some turn-based you can make work like real good. But for the most part, though, action, I don't know, it just triggers your endorphins a little bit more. Unless you're playing a turn-based battle system where you have like a bunch of flashy, amazing animations. Oh my gosh. And like tons of high numbers. That really gets your endorphins going. Do you watch Marvel? Marvel's okay, but I prefer DC. Legend of Legaia? Yeah. You play as ex-slave worker, then he died and became a lost soul looking for a way out and end up on an epic journey. Depends on the turn base. Yeah, it does. It depends on the turn base. That sounds like a cool game, though, Blitz. Alright. So yeah, now that we create the dialogue, Tiny, we're going to... Yeah, here we go. Alright, so we're going to do this dot add child like we did before. This dot dialogue. And then just to see if it's working, we're going to do this dot dialogue because that's our variable name, equals test. C test. So yeah, you have to use 2 backslashes when you're using encode like that. So now, this shouldn't give us any errors. Let me go ahead and open up the tutor thing again. You guys want? Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. So yeah, we're gonna add our plugin now that we wrote. Plug. Very epic name. And I'm gonna get rid of this thing. I was gonna say Bucko. I was pressing the wrong thing. Cause I'm an idiot. You'd love to review this? I reboot my project. Cool. Yeah, dude, have at it. Rebooting your project is always like a really good way to... It's crazy cool how you can mess with the code. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. There we go. So now it is working. We have the little buy window up here. We also have like the giant sprite. So I'm gonna have him give us like a ton of money. And then we're gonna edit the buy command. So change gold. Because I didn't do add window, I actually used add child. I prefer that. A gargantuan gigaton of money. Which for testing purposes, not cheating. So it was on the do by command. So just like before, we're going to alias this as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that down there real quick. So we're going to do const by alias equals scene shop.prototype.doby. Dubai? Dubai sounds like a cool place. I want to go there. So after this, we're going to be like... Can you make the avatar sprite smaller? Yeah, kind of. I'm going to have to refresh on that real quick, but I got you, fam. So yeah, we're going to do by alias dot apply this arguments. And then we're going to do this dot dialogue equals thanks fam for, and we can do like more stuff, buying my stuffs. You know, you would do this just like you're making a regular message pop up, like when you're editing, like a regular dialogue thing. And I recommend just making timers as well to reset the dialogue, so that way it goes away after a few seconds of him saying it, so he's not gonna be like, yeah. So, boom. Thanks for buying my stuffs. I'm not gonna lie. That's the first time I program something that actually works, like right when it starts. Oh, you're planning all the art? Glitterbot, yes. Bruh. Okay. I would use... Have you heard of LibreOffice, Glitterbot? LibreOffice is probably the best thing you can use for documenting things, but I don't document because I'm not a genius. You went to Dubai a year-ish ago? Only for a few hours, though? Huh. Oh, cool. Well, thank you for discovering, Asher. Okay, so to see all the message commands, so we're gonna do show text. Just hover the mouse and over the text area for a second, and you can see all the commands. Just remember, when you're using it in programming, you instead of doing like one backslash, so /C, and then in between brackets we got the number. That's just gonna be like, that's just gonna show the color. So C-5. Yeah, you can see like what they all do and stuff. Yo, bruh. But you can shrink text. Yeah, so you can shrink text by doing the backslash and then curly brace this way. And to grow text, you can do it the other way. So you can do large AF. Large AF. You can cause delays by doing that, like backslash and dots. It will cause like a 1/4 of a second. Yeah, you can see what everything does. You can cause the gold window to pop up as well. You can do all kinds of stuff. You can draw icons, so /I5. Yeah, there's all kinds of really cool stuff you can do with that. But yeah, that, good sir. But yeah, so in programming though, you wouldn't use you would use 2 slashes like that. It's not gonna work here. Oh wow. Oops. That is not what I want to do. 2 backslashes creates 1 regular slash, and that's what you want in programming because the backslash is an escape character. # pro tips. Thank you, Grundy. How's it going, bucko? But yeah, I like little shop windows. And now, bro, I'm gonna try and help you with the scaling thing real quick. You're welcome, dude. Yeah, you can do icons. It's actually super freaking helpful. No. What was I? Oh yeah. So our little icon was called what again? It was called this.new sprite, right? So in order to find out what values an object has, this is how I do it. So we're gonna do console.log, and then we're gonna do this.new sprite, for example. Well, not for example. This is what we're doing. So what that's going to do, if you press F8, you have a little console window, and it's going to output what the sprite has, all the values that it has. Button mode, that's for like touch screen stuff. What we're looking for are the underline types. So local transform maybe? Matrix? Nope, that's not it. Scale, here we go. Scale. Okay, yeah, you can change the sizing by doing stuff like this. So now we can do this.new sprite dot scale dot underscore x equals 0.5, and in theory that should, let's refresh that. Greetings, hello Gemini. Gemini does games. So it is setting, but it's not updating. So that means the scaling thing is actually from another point. Okay, so that's just for reading. So then we find another way. You might just be able to adjust the width alone. So let's just do width equals 100. Yeah, you might just be able to like modify the width and height by itself. No, you can't. Okay, I didn't think so. World transform? Maybe that's it. It's a matrix. I don't even know what that means. So let's try the .bitmap. Base texture. No, it's not going to be in that. Bitmap is just a canvas that it's on. .bitmap.width. Let's try it. Bitmap.width. Oh, it is. But no, right now the Gemini, I'm just doing some tutorial stuffs. All right, so that wasn't it either. Let's try the regular transform. Aha! Transform dot scale dot x. That might work. Why is it not working? Okay, maybe it's because like we're... Oh yeah! It's because like we didn't... No, that can't be it either. 0.5. Let's try regular X. But yeah, there is a way, Tiny Awesome. Aha, there it is. But why did it become that? Oh yeah, duh. Yeah, so that's it right there. So it is, so you do transform.scale.x and you can do percentage that way. If you want to find like a direct value, then one thing you can do is this right here. So you can do function get real value out of a percentage. So you would do width %. So how you would do this, you would do, let's see if I can remember. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's just this dot new, yeah, you would do, okay. So you would just multiply that by the width. So I'm going to console log this to show you what I mean. And just put it over here so it's cleaner. Okay, so let value equals times, and then you would do this dot new sprite dot width. You're going to multiply the scale by the width. Yeah, it is a little bit of a pain in the rectum to learn coding. Oops. I did a thing. Oh, derp. Why is that a 0? Dot bitmap dot width, I think it was. Okay, why is that a 0? It is called dot width, right? Yeah. So 0.5 times. Yeah, so I don't know why that's not working, but oh yeah, underscore x. This needs to be underscore x. So that should be 0.5 times the width of the image, so 816, and that should just literally cut 816 in half. So I don't know why it's being weird and saying 0. Yeah, see, 408. But why is it not capturing the width? This dot new sprite dot width. Huh. Maybe it's because like this hasn't let's do a timeout because maybe it hasn't loaded yet. That's why it's like that. So set timeout. We're gonna like wait for an entire second before console logging this. Yeah, this part isn't even a tutorial anymore. Yeah, there it is. So what was going on is the image, the width wasn't known yet. So that's how you would calculate. That's how you can do that. And then you can, after that, you can actually convert that back. So you can do sizing. Yeah, you can convert that back into a percentage. If you wanted to do that. I wonder if you can do it this way, though. Maybe. Yeah, you can. Yes, you can. So so Tiny Awesome. Turns out I was wrong entirely. We were setting the width before the thing even loaded. So to remedy that, scene shop.prototype.update equals function. Scene menu base.prototype.update.apply. It doesn't like preload the image, so you can either you can remedy it by preloading the images or doing it this way. I'd recommend this way. I can actually give you a full-on tutorial if you want, because now you're probably like super confused because we had to like jankify stuff to get there. But basically, though, we need to make an update, so we need to modify the width after it already shows up on the screen. There might be an onload event as well. No, that's cool. Okay, sorry about that though. So yeah, but now we can do this. For example, we can do this dot new sprite dot width minus. So you do much work. I'm sorry. See, now it's just like, although that seems to be like cropping the canvas itself instead. Huh. So let's do transform.width maybe? Otherwise, yeah, you'll just have to end up with yeah, it looks like you're gonna have to use percentages You won't be able to have like a tutorial. Would be nice though. Yes, it would. So yeah, to do the scaling, then you're just gonna have to do. You're gonna have to do percentages. So 1 is full width, 0 is none. If you know how to like calculate percentages and everything, you can get. So yeah, let's shrink it. So it's gonna be 20% of its size. That you can see here. If you're talking about drawing a face, you can draw a face. You can draw a face by doing, well, let's change the height of this to times 4 so we can fit the face in the, son of a. Yes, you have to do math, Tiny. But yeah, let's see. Let's draw the face. So let's do this dot draw face. How's the face command work again? Face name, face index. All right, so okay, good. So to draw the face, if you want to update the face, you're gonna have to like use a switch system, but that gets a little bit more timely. That's not what I wanted to do. All right, so we're gonna find the face that we want to draw. So we're gonna go to faces. We're gonna type actor 1, and then the first index, which is 0. Well, let's just do 1 just in case. I don't know if they made it. No, it should be 0. So that should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should be in that order. Assuming you can see my mouse. I think you can see my mouse. I don't know if you can see my mouse or not. Top left to bottom right, basically. From 0 counting up is what it should be. So we have our positioning now. So 0, 0. And we have width and height. What? Oh, wow. We can actually change the width and height. 32, 32. So yeah, that's just gonna draw Harold. But he's gonna be tiny. Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, the width and height is literally just cropping like it was before. So we're just gonna leave the width and height alone, and it should automatically scale, so you don't have to define it. There you go. Like, thanks for buying my stuff, fans. So yeah, you don't have to do a sprite that way. But yeah, I think we're gonna call it here. And yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching. Sorry for the issues we had earlier. I'm glad they got fixed. But yeah. See you guys later. Thank you all so very much for watching. Peace out. Why did I open code again? But yeah, I will, I think I'll start doing like tutorial streams. I don't know yet though. We'll see about that. Alright, anyways, bye guys. You're really nice. Alright, see you guys.